What up, y'all? I'm Bokeh Bob, and today we're going to be checking out another budget custom keyboard that Finalkey Studio sent out to me for review. The Record Alice from Finalkey Studio is a full aluminum VIA compatible keyboard that comes in right around $100 depending on the color you choose. Before we get started, I always like to make it clear that this keyboard was sent to me for review from Finalkey Studio. However, all opinions are my own and from my experiences using the keyboard. I usually use keyboards for about a week before releasing a review. Along with building a keyboard on stream, which you can check me out on Twitch or YouTube, the build VODs are up. Also, it would be greatly appreciated if you can like and most importantly subscribe to the channel, as it is a great way to support me and allows me to bring more reviews like these to you in the future. Now, let's check out the Record Alice, see what comes in the box, check out the color options, and of course, see how it performs and sounds. As you open the box, you'll receive the bare bones keyboard of your color choice. Mine here is already built since I built it on stream. Keep in mind the keyboard does not come with switches or keycaps. It does come with already lubed plate mount stabilizers, which surprisingly I didn't need to touch up and sounded great out of the box. A USB-A to USB-C cable, a switch puller, a tool to take the keyboard apart, and of course the keyboard itself, which has a polycarbonate plate, PCB, and case foam, and a layer of IXPE foam for those that want that specific thocky or creamy sound profile. We do have several color options, which are the following: acrylic or transparent, Ewhite, which is what I have, which is more of a cream than a true Ewhite, silver, brown, red, gray, and lastly black. The Ewhite comes in at $115 shipped. The silver, brown, red, gray, and black are $99 shipped, and the acrylic is $70 shipped. Keep in mind that the acrylic does not have the aluminum weight attached to the back of it, so it'll probably be lighter and sound slightly different. Overall, during my experience building the board, it was very straightforward. I built it with all foam and no foam at all, and came to find out that the board sounded outstanding with all foam. However, with no foam, it was really quiet, and I don't recommend this board if you don't like the foam sound signature. Also, keep in mind this keyboard does support PCB mount screw-in stabilizers, so if you want to go that route, you can, but like I said earlier, the stabilizers that came with the board worked fine for me, and I didn't have any trouble with ticking or weird noises coming from them. Now, let's check out this board a little closer, and of course, see how it sounds. Hit the B-roll, baby. Where do budget keyboards go from here? This full aluminum board comes with VIA support, south-facing hot swap sockets, RGB, and a great sound signature. By the day, they're becoming more and more accessible with no waits or very minimal waits for group buys. I feel like the budget space needs to keep improving the way these boards sound without foam, and they'll start luring in more and more customers. Would I recommend this board to someone? Honestly, yeah, I would. I have never been a fan or really owned any Alice style keyboards, and this keyboard is going to stay in my rotation. I usually stay away from foam boards, but at this point in the hobby, I think everyone needs to have at least one foam board in their collection. At right around $100, you get to fully experience what a custom keyboard is, while truly still staying affordable in the custom keyboard scene. It's unimaginable that today you can spend roughly less than $200 and build a keyboard that can compete with anything in the custom keyboard market. This has never been the case, and we just see the price point continue to get lower and lower. What is your current take on the budget custom keyboard scene? Where do budget keyboards go from here? Let me know in the comments. As always, check out some of my content here, and I hope you have a good rest of your holiday season. Merry Christmas. Bokeh Bob out.